Hey there, innovators! Ever wish you could transform your amazing t-shirt or other print-on-demand product designs into stunning, professional-looking images without spending a dime? Well, today's your lucky day. I'm about to share 5 of the top mockup generators online right now that will make your products shine like never before, and many of them are even free. Stick around, because if you're a product creator, you don't want to miss this. But before we start our tour, let's take a second to talk about why you absolutely need these in your creative toolkit. Imagine this. You've designed the most amazing t-shirt, or coffee mug, or phone case. It has everything: the colors, the vibe, the whole shebang. But how do you show it off without actually printing a bunch of them? Enter mockup generators, your new best friends. These nifty tools can help you create stunning, professional presentations of your designs without spending a fortune. And why do you want that? Well, first off, they make your designs look polished and so professional. Perfect for marketing and promoting your products. They're like having your very own photo shoot studio right on your laptop. Plus, they save you a ton of time and money, and no need to create physical samples for every new idea you create. Mockups also give you the freedom to experiment. You can play with styles, colors, and different looks without any commitment. It's kind of like trying on clothes in a virtual dressing room. Whether you're showcasing your designs on Etsy, Amazon, or your own website, high-quality mockups can really boost your sales. They help customers see exactly what they're getting, building trust, and making your products even more irresistible. I mean, honestly, which one of these do you think looks better and would sell more products? All right, let's get this mockup list started with our number 5 pick, Placeit. They have a vast library, and guess what? They have some free mockups hidden in there too. Just type in free mockup, and voila! Over 100 cool options appear before your eyes. But why is it number 5? The freebies are great, but the choices are a bit limited. Still, it's a solid starting point if you need these. Just choose the mockup you'll be using, upload your design, tweak the placement, etc., until it is exactly what you want. Then download your finished image, ready to use. Sliding into the 4th spot is Mockup Mark. This under-the-radar gem doesn't require a sign-up, but it also offers paid plans too. Just hit Get Started for free, upload your design, and play with the placement. The quality here is really nice. It doesn't have the biggest library, but the realism and quality presented here are top-notch. This site is perfect for those who want their designs to really stand out and are on a limited budget. Now we're moving on to number 3, Smartmockups. This site is like the Swiss Army knife of mockups. To use this site, you will need to create an account. Once you log in, you will see many designs to work with, some free, some paid, so pay attention. There are a lot of options, from gymwear to cute couples mockups. Choose your mockup, upload your image, adjust the placement, pick your colors. Then download. There is a bit of clicking around, but definitely worth it for the variety. Drumroll, please. Number 2 is Creative Fabrica. This one is a bit different. Think of it as a library where you borrow instead of buying. Search for t-shirt mockup, filter to freebies, And there you go, a huge array of options. Download the mockups you choose, and then add your original designs to it manually. A bit of DIY spirit is needed here, but it's totally worth it. And if you already have a Creative Fabrica membership, there are even more designs included inside to choose from. And number 1 is Canva. Now, let's talk about Canva's free mockup generator. If you're already designing with Canva, creating stunning mockups is just a few clicks away. First, launch Canva on your app or favorite web browser. On the homepage side panel, click Apps, and then choose Mockups to access the mockup maker. Next, select a mockup template. Remember, the ones with the crown are for the paid members. Canva offers a range of options, so pick the design that suits your product best. Upload your design, refine your mockup, and then download it or use it in your design. It's that simple and seamless. So, there you have it. 5 free, or partially free, mockup generators that will take your t-shirt designs and other POD products to the next level. Overall, mockup generators are helpful tools for creators looking to present their designs professionally. So, try a few of these out, and let me know in the comments which one you like the best.
If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe, and share it with your friends too. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.